NASA's priorities may be shifting under President Donald Trump administration. But why we're saying this? If Jared Isaacman, the businessman and astronaut tapped to lead the agency, is confirmed as NASA administrator, then the focus could move from the Moon to Mars. This potential pivot has sparked debate among experts, policymakers, and the global space community. Here's what we know. Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur and private astronaut, recently hinted at this shift in his social media post. He shared an image of Mars, and he wrote that such photos energize him about the future and emphasize the historic significance of landing humans on another planet. Most of us came to know about him when Isaacman, who led SpaceX's Polaris mission and conducted the first-ever spacewalk as a non-professional astronaut, last year in September 2024, he appears to align with Trump's vision of planting an American flag on Mars. But what about the current NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon by 2025? Using the Space Launch System, SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft. The mission is designed to test deep space systems and establish a lunar base as a stepping stone for Mars. However, delays and budget overruns have plagued the program, leading to criticism from figures like Elon Musk, who calls the Moon missions a distraction. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, has long championed a direct approach to Mars, using his company's Starship spacecraft. Musk's proximity to the Trump administration and Isaacman's shared vision suggest that Mars could become NASA's primary focus. Last year in December at the Space Force Association's conference, Isaacman stressed that lunar and Martian missions could shift the entire balance of power here on Earth. This potential shift has already had ripple effects in Boeing. A major NASA contractor has reportedly laid off hundreds of employees from its space division due to delays and revisions in the Artemis program. Critics argue that abandoning the Moon could undermine international partnerships and scientific progress, while supporters believe Mars offers a more ambitious and inspiring goal. Internationally, reactions are mixed. Some countries, like China and Russia, view the U.S. Mars ambitions as a competitive move that could destabilize space collaboration. Others, like members of the European Space Agency, see it as an opportunity to redefine global space exploration priorities. However, concerns remain about the feasibility and cost of Mars mission. While the debate continues, one thing is clear: NASA's direction under Jared Isaacman could mark a pivotal moment in space exploration. Whether the focus shifts to Mars or remains on the Moon, the decisions made today will shape humanity's journey into the cosmos for decades to come. NASA may soon be at a crossroads. With the potential confirmation of Jared Isaacman as its next administrator, the agency's focus could shift from returning to the Moon to a more ambitious mission, landing humans on Mars. This move carries both promise and peril. The ongoing debate about how best to balance innovation, safety, and economic stability in space exploration. We will continue to monitor these developments closely. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on this unfolding story.